Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to develop your ability to set priorities using mp3.Academy. Setting priorities is a critical skill that can transform how you manage your time, reduce stress, and help you achieve your long-term goals. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you master the art of prioritization, allowing you to focus on what truly matters most in your personal and professional life. Whether you're looking to improve your productivity, align your daily tasks with your bigger goals, or simply create more balance in your life, this episode will give you the tools and insights you need to take control of your day. So let's dive in and learn how to set priorities effectively with the help of mp3.Academy. Developing your ability to set priorities is a crucial skill that can make a significant difference in how you manage your time, energy, and resources. At mp3.Academy, we understand that learning to prioritize effectively is the foundation for achieving both personal and professional success. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or trying to balance work and personal life, mastering the art of prioritization allows you to focus on what truly matters. When you prioritize well, you make progress toward your long-term goals, reduce stress, and eliminate the overwhelm that comes from trying to do everything at once. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the first steps in developing the skill is learning to distinguish between urgent and important tasks. Many people fall into the trap of addressing urgent tasks first, regardless of their importance. While urgent tasks may demand immediate attention, they often aren't the ones that lead to long-term success. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to identify tasks that are important but not urgent, those that align with your larger goals and provide long-lasting value. By focusing on important tasks, you can move beyond reactive mode and start proactively shaping your future. Another key element in setting priorities is understanding the concept of opportunity cost. Every time you choose to spend your time on one task, you're essentially deciding to forego something else. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of recognizing what you're giving up when you say yes to certain tasks. This mindset shift allows you to become more intentional about how you allocate your time, ensuring that you're making the most of every minute. By understanding the opportunity cost, you'll make more thoughtful decisions that reflect your true priorities. Once you've identified your important tasks and considered the opportunity cost, it's essential to implement a strategy like time blocking. Time blocking is the practice of setting aside specific periods in your schedule to focus solely on your priority tasks. This approach helps you eliminate distractions and ensures that your most important work gets done efficiently. At mp3.Academy, we recommend time blocking as a key tool for productivity because it allows you to protect your time for deep, focused work, while also leaving room for flexibility when unexpected events arise. Another important factor in learning to set priorities is the ability to say no when necessary. Too often, we feel pressured to take on more than we can handle, leading to burnout and frustration. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to assess when it's appropriate to decline a task or project. Learning to say no is not just about protecting your time, it's about maintaining the quality of your work and ensuring that you have the bandwidth to focus on what truly matters. By mastering the skill, you'll find that you have more time and energy to dedicate to your highest priorities. Adaptability is another key skill when it comes to setting priorities. Even with the best laid plans, things can change quickly. Whether it's a sudden deadline shift or an unexpected challenge, you need to be able to adjust your priorities without losing sight of your long-term goals. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of regular reflection and reassessment. By staying flexible and reviewing your priorities frequently, you can make necessary adjustments and stay on track, no matter what life throws at you. In addition to flexibility, setting priorities requires a clear vision of your long-term goals. Without a strong understanding of where you're headed, it's easy to get distracted by short-term tasks that don't contribute to your larger objectives. At mp3 Academy, we guide you through the process of defining your long-term goals so that you can align your daily tasks with them. This alignment ensures that every action you take brings you one step closer to realizing your aspirations, whether they are personal or professional. Another technique we encourage at mp3 Academy is the use of the Eisenhower matrix. This powerful tool helps you categorize your tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. By using this matrix, you can quickly determine which tasks should take priority and which can be delegated, delayed, or even eliminated. It's a practical and straightforward way to ensure that you stay focused on what matters most. Of course, setting priorities is not just about work. It's also about well-being. At mp3 Academy, we emphasize the importance of incorporating self-care and personal development into your list of priorities. When you take care of your health, both mental and physical, you're better equipped to handle your work and other responsibilities. By making time for rest, exercise, and personal growth, you enhance your overall productivity and ensure that you have the energy to pursue your goals consistently. In conclusion, developing your ability to set priorities is a transformative process that allows you to take control of your time and achieve greater success in all areas of life. At mp3 Academy, we offer the tools, techniques, and guidance to help you master this essential skill. By focusing on important tasks, understanding opportunity cost, learning to say no, and maintaining adaptability, you can create a more productive and fulfilling life. Prioritizing effectively not only helps you accomplish more, but also brings clarity and peace of mind, knowing that your time is being spent on what truly matters.